सांखळी पालिकेक स्वताच्या पांयार सक्षम उबी करपाचो प्लान पालिका कावन्सिलाचो आसा. येवपी विधानसभा वेंचणुकेची तयारी आपली आसा म्हण सांखळी पालिकेचो नगराध्यक्ष धर्मेश सगलांनी उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We have lots of projects in pipeline which we will take on priority basis, which is already under process. We will try to complete those, and we have many resolutions which we have given, which we already taken. And this time during the election, each of my councillor has promised people various development works. Will on priority basis will take that up. And since government has already given in writing to the court, an affidavit in the court that they will upgrade the municipality to B class, which is not yet done, just for information. But if they do, we will get additional funds and additional staff. Plus, we have intentions of making municipality self-dependent by generating more revenue, by collecting more taxes. For that, we need a stable chief officer, stable accountant, and stable engineer, which we have just requested the Honorable Deputy CM, Urban Development Minister, because last time I have gone through 14 different chief officers, 5 different engineers, 5 different accountants, which will transfer frequently. Due to that, we couldn't complete any major development works. But I expect and I hope this time the government will cooperate with us and give us full-time chief officer and full-time engineer and accountant. And whatever proposal we send, that they will approve it for the development of Sakri. And assurance is given by our ex-CM, Amche Sahib, Shri Pratap Singh Rawat Rane, that he is going to help us and give us margdarshan. And also, Health Minister, Mr. Rane, has assured us that we will work under his guidance and help us in development of Sakri.
You are facing a tough opposition like the government, who have even gone on saying that even though we have 3 council members, we will form the government council. So at this point, when all the such type of statements have been coming and all, how do you see that your council would be supported by this government?
Well, I've already declared that my council, my fight was not against the government. It was never was, because we want development, and without the government support, we cannot develop do the development work. My fight was against the local MLA for hampering the Sakri development, for not attending single meeting in 6 years of municipality. Even though being a COP member, we send notices to him every meeting, well in advance, 7 days in advance. And for frequent transfer of chief officers, engineers and accountants. Because of that, I was against him. But I was never against the government. I have cordial relation with all the ministers and government authorities.